In Mark, says he carries his cross, or Cyrus or whatever carries his cross.
Yeah.
He stays silent, doesn't speak to anybody.
Does it say he stays silent?
He doesn't speak. There's no quotation of Jesus speaking to anybody.
Okay,
Wait.
hang on. So you're putting your own words into the Bible.
From what you said.
You are corrupting the scriptures, my brother. So he does not say that.
That's racist.
Why
Why are you talking in that tone to me?
is that racist?
Yes.
I have great respect for the people of South
Were
Asia.
you born here?
No,
Where were you born?
Yorkshire.
Why are you bringing
It's
this
another
up?
country.
In England, yeah.
Now,
So I was born here as well.
So what do you do?
if I have offended
So
you,
I was born here as well.
if I have
Why
offended
are you
you,
making a Arab or a Asian
Because he's
accent?
racist, isn't he?
if I have
That's
offended you by that,
racist.
then I ask your
Notice the Muslims
forgiveness.
are now making
The
out
question
No.
I'm asking
Hold on a
you is,
second.
you have just put
It's
your
not-
words
it's not if you
into
offended
the
me.
gospel by saying he
Listen,
stayed
relax.
silent.
Why won't you ever listen to
Relax.
Is there a verse that
Relax.
says he stayed silent?
Relax.
Stop lying.
Relax.
Or is that you putting your interpretation onto it?
Deal with that.
First of all, it's not,
racist
it's not whether I found it offensive or not.
Okay,
It is offensive.
okay.
That's the difference.
And I've asked you for
That's
your
the difference.
forgiveness.
You should apologise
Have
for the
you?
racism,
I just
isn't it?
have done. It's no racism, but I've asked for his forgiveness. Now, does it say in
It
any
is
of those
racist.
four